with your dog. Does your dog have so much energy that biking seems like the best way to get most of that energy out without too much like strenuous activity on your side? I know I like it because this guy runs a lot faster than me, so biking, at least I can keep up with him and even push him to his limits. So what you're gonna need is, of course, your loyal companion and a leash. I also use a harness. Previously, when I first started, I was using a choke collar, and that didn't work for my dog, but it might work for your dog. So just, try out whatever works. Make sure you wear a helmet and safety gear, especially if it's your first time, because I did fall my first time, but I didn't let that stop me. So, and then the third very important thing is to bike in a safe neighborhood or a safe location that doesn't have a lot of traffic. You don't want to, if you do fall, or if you're first starting out, you want to make sure that you're not having to maneuver with cars, as well as training your dog. Also, another thing to keep in mind is you're always going to want to make sure the dog is on one side of your bike. The first mistake I made was letting Duncan get too far ahead, and then he swerved in front of me, and at that point you're forced to stop and you might roll over on your bike. So get set up first. Make sure your dog's to the side of you. And get a good feeling. Wrap the leash around your arm. But don't in any way lock it to your hand, because you want to be able to let go in case something does distract him enough to pull away. So. And then also carry a poop bag just in case.